Hello friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today we're taking it back to the basics and talking about how to figure out your skin type. If anyone's ever asked you, what's your skin type? And you responded,
I don't know!
then I'm here to give you 3 easy steps on how to figure out your skin type. If you're just starting out your skincare journey, it can be quite overwhelming to figure out where to start and what to do first. So I wanted to make a skincare for beginners series so that you can take it step by step in order to figure out what skincare routine is going to work best for you. So the first step is to figure out your skin type. It's important to figure out your skin type because it's going to guide you towards the products that will work best for you. For example, if you have dry skin, you're not going to want to use products meant for oily skin or vice versa. Finding out your skin type is basically figuring out the hydration and oil levels that your skin produces. But before I tell you how to figure out your skin type, I want to note that your skin is not the same your entire life. For example, it can change seasonally, like oily in the summer or dry in the winter, or different factors including age, environment changes, or changes in the hormone. So it is important that you redo this test every so often or when you find that your products are not giving you the same results as they once were. Okay, so the easiest way to figure out your skin type is to do these 3 steps. First, you're going to cleanse your face with a cleanser, not a bar of soap. You don't want to cleanse your face with a bar of soap because soap tends to set up and it can actually clog the pores. So make sure you find a cleanser that is specifically meant for the face and cleanse your face with that. Second, after you cleanse your face, you're going to avoid putting any other products on your skin. Now, you can wait about an hour or you can go to bed and wake up in the morning to do step number 3. So that brings us to step number 3. So after you wait for about an hour, you're going to examine your skin. So before you examine your skin, there are 2 words that you should probably know about, and that is your T-zone and your C-zone. So the T-zone is what it sounds like is the T of your face, so down the center and across the forehead and a little bit under the cheeks. And then your C-zone is basically the rest of the face that makes a C. So for the 3rd step, you're going to examine your skin. So there are 2 ways to examine the skin. You can just look at it and see what your face is doing, or you can use blotting tissues in order to figure out how much oils are on your skin. If you need blotting tissues, I will link these down below. So here are the 4 main skin types and what to look out for in order to tell if you are that skin type. Okay, so when you place the tissues on your skin, you're going to place them on the forehead, the cheeks, the nose, and the chin. Now, if they all stick to the skin and do not fall off, that means you have oily skin. You also know if you have oily skin if you see oils or shine in the skin or reflective areas, or you might even have large pores and are prone to breaking out. When you stick the tissues on and only some of them stick, that means you have combination skin. So you have oiliness in some parts of the skin, but either a normal or dry skin on the other parts. And if all the tissues fall off, then you know that you have dry or normal skin. So if you have dry skin, you're going to be able to tell because you have super tight skin, flakiness, or dullness in the skin. And if you are one of the lucky ones with normal skin, you won't see either dry skin or oily. It'll just be normal and you don't know what you're looking at. So that brings me to my last point, which is if you have sensitive skin. So a lot of people think sensitive skin is a separate skin type, but you can have sensitive skin with oily skin, dry skin, normal skin. It doesn't really matter. But if you have sensitive skin, you tend to be red a lot and are very sensitive to pretty much anything you put on your face. So the cause of sensitive skin could come from a skin concern including rosacea, eczema, or psoriasis. So it's a good idea to go to a dermatologist if you have sensitive skin before going into a skincare routine. So that's how you figure out your skin type, and that's going to help you figure out what products to use for your skin. And remember to always redo this test every so often in case your skin type changes. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button because I will be adding to this series on the next steps on figuring out a skincare routine for you. And we'll be talking about what kind of cleansers to use, a basic skincare routine, and how to add on products after that. So that's all I have for you today. If you'd like to see my review on the Microdermabrasion Plus set, you can check it out right there. And make sure you subscribe for new videos every Thursday. I will see you next week.